Hi, I'm Tim Hewson here at East Sussex College, and I specialise in the A-level computer science, which I've taught now for many years. I spend a lot of time with students who are also studying mathematics or further maths or physics, because the subject is pretty much mathematical. Students need a strong GCSE in maths before they enter the course. That's in order to prosper on the course. You'll find me inside the lab, so not surprisingly, we make a lot of use of computers. We don't use them all the time, but we do program. Our choices for programming language are C# and Python. The reality is many GCSE students will have used Python previously, so if they want to continue with the Python, I'm happy with that. But we're interested in C# because other courses here make use of C# for gaming, which gives me the relationship to my peer teachers who are teaching things like games development and web development on other courses, level 3 courses, which rather than being the academic, they're the more hands-on practical courses. The A-level's interesting as much though in that we have in the second year a very large practical element, the NEA, the project. To come out with that project is a really good thing to have in your back pocket as an A-level student who's studied. Wisely at the college we've made a decision to do key assessments every month. So the key assessments are formalised, they're essentially the quality of an examination, and effectively they're modular because they're testing the knowledge that's just been taught, that's just come through. And I say the students sit it in a formal manner. It's a paper-based test and with a formal mark scheme, and we're gathering those. The desire is to test at examination in the summer, and of course we know nationally that's been the examinations have been postponed by 3 weeks. But wisely, as I say, we are doing key assessments as we go, so we've got an insurance policy in case for any reason we're not able to sit those examinations. A very simple down-to-earth reason people come onto this course, if they've got all the aptitudes I've talked about, is earning potential. It's not dissimilar to my own background. I started off in mathematics and I moved into computer science, and I did reasonably well out of that. So the potential to earn is definitely, I would expect, a motivator. Also, you'll find that students have just got this inclination. They're logical in the way they think, logical in the way they put things together, and they just feel natural and comfortable pursuing this kind of A-level. Well, what I would say about computer science is a very broad church. So it's you get students who go on to project management. So you could argue there's a path into management. That's a possibility. Analysis as well. Which is, so it may not, we don't always think of people as being programmers that go into analysis. Analytics, well, I suppose that's mathematical, but it's not straight programming. Talking about my favourite module then, what I chose to study of my own during the summer was I looked at algorithms. I sort of looked at the algorithms that students would study first year of university. So yes, I'm particularly interested in the algorithms and how they potentially connect into the future study. Algorithms, in the simplest idea, we meet it in GCSE, so in a right-angled triangle using Pythagoras' rule we can find the length of the hypotenuse given the two sides. That is a simple algorithm. So even at GCSE level we meet many algorithms. So at college we have planned face-to-face, it's 3 hours per session, 3 sessions per week. One of those currently is remote, so it's two of those sessions are face-to-face. At home, I've heard numbers such as students have talked about 4 or 5 hours. They work 4 or 5 hours independently. Thanks for your attention. I've tried to give you a feel for the flavour of this. I've emphasised the mathematics, but then I enjoy the maths. So if you're the kind of person for whom that brings pleasure, then this could well be the course for you. I say I'm Tim Hewson. I'd love to hear from you. My email's readily available at the college. I gave a lot of support over the summer holidays. We had a big participation in the summer classroom above and beyond the students who actually joined the college. So there was even dialogue with students who are only of prospective. Happy to hear from you.